What up? What's going on out there, y'all? Just want to show y'all this quick setup right here. This is my new helmet, my new off-road helmet right here. Just want to show y'all the quick setup I got for it. Where I mounted my GoPro camera at. See, I got the Hero 7 Black. As anybody been watching my videos, my garage burnt up. I lost all my helmets and all that stuff like that, so I had to get me a new helmet. I went with the Scorpion this time, and I decided to go with the black and green. Before, when I was picking my helmet out, I didn't know which color I was going to do, like my dirt bike at the time, because that's all I had was a dirt bike then. Now both my dirt bike and my four-wheeler is black and green, so I just went with this color right here, and it matches pretty good. I was out riding just a little bit on it ago. At the end of this video right here, I'm going to show y'all like some video clips from them, what it looked like though. I mean, pretty much same quality, and this lid right here goes up far enough where this right here, I can't even see this at all, like when I'm riding, just it's out of my view. If I look up at it hard enough, I can see the screen, I can angle it and everything how I want it. That's currently my setup right here, and how I did this, I just drilled a hole in the top of it here and put a screw that fit inside of this. This is accessory right here that came with my GoPro camera. There we have it, man. It's a Scorpion design right here. I think my last one was a fly racing helmet. This was a Scorpion this time. I like it though. Fits good. Feels good, man. It's the same goggles right there, 100% goggles. Same goggles that I had on my last helmet. But yeah, that is it right there. Be on the lookout for some more footage coming out, man. Just did a little bit of trail ride out. We're finding some new trails out there with the quad. Make sure y'all stay tuned for them videos, man. They be coming up. But hey, check out these little videos, this little video clip that I took when I first got this camera, when I first set it up though. Check this joint out.